So today I am going to be making my smoothie with these items for the first time. I bought this blender, which is a Magic Bullet from Wally World, back during Black Friday times. Okay, so I never used it. I'm gonna be putting in some Manuka honey, some of the PB Profit peanut butter protein powder, has 9 grams of protein. All right, a banana, some vanilla wafers because that's my business, and some chia seeds, which is also great with omega-3s and the protein as well. I'm also going to be adding some vanilla almond milk, which I don't really care for, but I will add it, you know, for health reasons or whatever. Now I'm adding some ice, which is alkaline ice as well, and let's see how we gonna do this thing. All right, so what you need to do is bust that banana open, okay? Peel it, break it in half so that it can fit into your container. If you're using a regular blender, you can put a lot more ingredients in there. Therefore, I cannot. So I have to use what I have in the amount that I have it, okay? So now I'm just gonna add this Manuka honey, which is great for inflammation. And yeah, so, and then here's the protein powder there, the PB Fit, tastes like peanut butter. If you don't like that, you can add whatever you like. You know how we do on this channel. Now I'm adding some chia seeds.
Chia.
And we just gonna throw that in there because I want to. We're going to throw in a couple of these vanilla wafers, all right? It might turn into a banana split in a minute, all right? With all of the things that I'm adding. And then the almond milk. Watch that pour nice and smoothly. Now, I didn't add enough, and later on you're going to see me add more. And one of the mistakes that I made is adding the ice before actually blending it. And you about to find out in a minute when you see it. So here's how it all looks. And now I'm just finding the directions on how to use this because there are no buttons on this blender. So you just place it and turn it. And as you can see, my first mistake was adding ice because this blender, I guess, is not strong enough to bust down the ice. So I had to take it off, take out the ice, and then add it back. Now it's blended. Now it's moving. It's doing what it's supposed to do, fam. So now I'm taking it off again, and as you can see, didn't add enough things to it, so I'm adding some more almond milk. Like I said before, all right, this is my first time, so we gonna make it work. So now here I am blending it once more, and I did add those ice cubes back in. And right here, I am just getting the part that is stuck on the sides, the Manuka honey and some of the chia seeds, and just mixing that all around before I add it to my container. Now, if you're looking for the perfect size smoothie container, I got this one from the Dollar Tree or the $1.25 tree, okay? We know how that go. And now I'm just going to pour this in, and you're going to see how it's a perfect fit. Man, that thing look thick. It looks real good. So now we are going to put the lid on there, and it comes with a straw and everything, makes it nice and convenient for me. So now let's see how this thing is going to taste. So at this point of the video, I was just explaining what it tastes like and kind of just gonna taste it a little bit here, as you can see, and then I'm gonna wash it out, and then I'm explaining how there's too much noise in the background and why this video has to be a voiceover. I'm explaining also how the benefits of the honey and all of the things can help you bring down the inflammation in your body, okay? I'm explaining all of that. So we're gonna fast forward to the actual video talking. I think that it's good and I can live with it on a regular basis. So, let's see. Cheers. Yep. good. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for your girl, okay? And then hit that bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload another video. But that's gonna do it, okay? So it's real easy to make. If you watched the previous video, then you know that most of the chia powders, the manuka honey, the peanut butter protein all came from Amazon. I got it like right when I was making that other video. So that's all in there. If I didn't say anything in the beginning of this video, leave a comment, question down below and let me know. But anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.